Look at this. Oh, look at the snow. We have 1 foot of snow so far. Woo! And I'm in my shorts. This car is mine. I started it and I decided not to go somewhere. I cleaned it up. This car just came back. These cars have been parked right here. Minnesota snow right here. There's somebody going out crazy. I don't think you can go anywhere. If you're going somewhere, you're not smart. These people, maybe they have 4 wheels drive. Don't know, but look pretty bad out there. Don't go anywhere. You'll be sorry. Look this. Look how thick this is. Look how thick this is. See? That's about 6 to 8 inches. I think we're gonna get 1 foot to 1.5 foot if it continues until tomorrow morning. And look at me, I'm in my shorts. In my shorts, see? In fact, in my swimming trunks. These are swimming trunks, see? I'm crazy Minnesotan, right? Crazy Minnesota. Ooh, look at this. I'm just right outside the door of my apartment, parking, looking at the snow. I gotta admit, it's very beautiful. Romantic even, but it's not. You can't snuggle, you can't hug each other. You have to be separate, but you can maybe hold hand with hand in gloves. Ooh, look at this. The wind is blowing the snow off the trees and the roof. Ah, there you go. See? Ooh, it's blowing to me. Freaking cold. Ah! Damn it! It's like it's kind of like an ice bucket flushed to you. Oh my gosh, what's that happen?